Hello and welcome to another video. In this multi-part series, which we are starting today, I would like to give you an overview of how you can set up and create your own personal data science project, whether it is for you, for friends and family, or for work. We are not only going over how to create a data science project, but also talk about efficient function design, efficient class design, how to use Git and GitHub, and last but not least, as a little cherry on top, we are also going to talk about how to deploy your own data science application to Google Cloud. So with that, we find ourselves in PyCharm, my preferred developer environment for coding in Python. And with that, I would like to introduce you to the project. So in this data science project, we are going over how to create a front-end application. We are going to use Dash in this case, Dash Plotly. We are going over different functionalities, so not only how to style your website, but also how to initiate callbacks, include callbacks like a drop-down menu or different tabs. Then I'm going to show you how to get a good separation between Python files, for example. Just as an example, what I like to do is when I have a Dash application, I like to return the content within a page from a different Python file. For example, here page. I always call them page underscore, and then call the part that is being displayed. Just makes it a little more pleasing to develop such a front-end application in Python. So with that, why don't we just jump into the application itself so you can see what we are going to be coding. So let's call the function and pull up Google Chrome. And this is going to be the data science application. In particular, this whole project is based off of Strava data. For those of you who don't know, Strava is a sports app that allows you to track all kinds of different workouts. As you can see, we have hikes, walks, we have runs. It's also very popular for cycling. And some of the dashboard features in Strava are actually a paid feature. And I thought about, how can I use the data in order to get the same benefit, but not necessarily have to pay for it, just also as a fun project for myself. And with that comes this. So I will show you how to get the data from Strava in case you want to do it for your data sheet as well. Strava allows you to download any kind of data sheet right from the profile page. You don't have to pay for anything for the data sheet or anything. And then I'm also going to show you how to have like these different tabs. I know it's not looking perfect right now, but just the functionality behind the tabs. Then have different sections, have a drop-down menu, change from. So I hope you liked the first video, the first introduction to the project, as well as the overview. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to set up a project in PyCharm and then use GitHub in order to save our code in the cloud. With that, thank you very much. And if you liked the video, please